Here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal. Some of it's rubbed, offcuts, just natural broken pieces, but they're all fairly small. As you can see, the rule's in millimetres. The material's been wetted. We just go in a bit so you can see a bit more. In actual fact, it's piled up like a sandcastle with a bucket. Okay, I haven't packed these in any particular order, so that makes it look better than what it is. It's literally just been poured out of a bucket and it's been scooped from a larger barrel of stones. As you can see, the quality varies a bit. It's only thin, fortunately. Other pieces, bit of an opal face there. It's just a natural break. There's a stone down there for you. Other pieces like this is a piece of Koroite with matrix in it, different spots there. Maybe zoom in a bit more so you get a better look. It's a little bit closer. Just quickly pick up some of it. I'm not going to pick up every piece. This is lines of reds in it there. Piece like this. Should be able to cut something out of that. It's been ground, semi-polished, ready to finish off. Nice piece of matrix. It's a bit soft, that piece. And a bit soft. Some of the faces should cut some stones, I think. Like that's got a nice pattern, piece of Koroite material. Another couple of pieces of Koroite type material. It's got a nice bit of matrix there. Maybe grind the bubbles off this way. Might go down onto colour for you. There's another 20 or 30 pieces there for you to look through. A lot of fun. It's not much per piece. I haven't counted them, but it's only a few dollars a piece. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.